In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. By the end, you'll have a clean connection that lets Claude reference your Figma designs right inside your conversations, so you can move faster on reviews, specs, and handoffs without jumping between tabs. First, open your Claude account and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one, because connectors are managed at the workspace level. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, it may be due to your plan or permissions, in which case your workspace admin can enable connectors for you. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon, usually at the top right of the screen. From the profile menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where Claude manages account preferences and integrations. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Connectors. This is where all available integrations live, whether they're already connected or waiting to be added. Inside the Connectors page, click Browse Connectors. You'll see a catalog of services that can be connected to Claude. Use the search bar at the top and type Figma. When the Figma connector appears in the results, click it to open the connector details. Then click Connect. At this point, just follow the prompts on your screen. Typically, you'll be asked to sign into your Figma account or confirm the account that's already signed in your browser. It's a good idea to be logged into the correct Figma account in the same browser beforehand to speed this up. You may be prompted to grant permissions, such as allowing Claude to view specific files or teams. Read the permissions, select the appropriate workspace or team if asked, and confirm. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the pop-up so the authorization window can appear. Once you approve access, you'll be redirected back to Claude, and you should see a confirmation that Figma is connected. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see Figma in the search results, refresh the page or check back in a moment. Catalogs can take a second to load. If the Connect button doesn't respond, check your internet connection and pop-up settings. And if the wrong Figma account appears, sign out of Figma in your browser, sign back in with the correct one, and try the Connect flow again. That's it. Open Claude, go to your profile, open Settings, choose Connectors, browse Connectors, search for Figma, click Connect, and follow the prompts. You're all set.